Hi, in this video we are going to solve practice question for revisiting fraction. So look at number 1. Find the missing value in each pair of equivalent fraction. Equivalent. So the value are equal. So look at here. 2 to 26. What do we need to do to make it 2 to be 26? So we need to multiply it by by 13. So if top number we multiply by 13, and also we have to multiply it by 13. So this x equal to 65. Okay, also the same thing. 5 to 125. Okay, sorry. To 125. So we should multiply it by, so you can thinking by 120 we divided by 5, so 24. So 5 times 24, it will make it 120. So next is 7 times 24. So x will be equal to 168. Next, look at this. 6 into 66 is pretty easy, so we multiply it by 11. Also done. Also we should multiply it by 11. So 5 times 11, the answer is gonna be 55. Next, 11 to 143. So 143 divided by 11 is gonna be times 13. So 9 also we need to multiply it by 13. So 9 times 13, so x equal to 117. Okay, 5 to 80. So we can make it like 80 divided by 5 is 16. So 5 times 16 equal to 80. So 3 also we need to multiply it by 16. So which will give us the answer of 3 times 16 is 48. Okay, next question. Look at here under 156 and 12. So 12 we multiply it with what number to make it 156? Or we can make it reverse like 156 divided by 12. So this will give us the answer of 13. So 8 also we need to multiply it by 13. So x is gonna be 104. Okay, there it is. Number 2, write each set fraction in descending orders. So look at it. This is 8, 8, 4, 3, and 8. So let us make it into equivalent, which all the denominator are the same, which is 24. 24, their lowest common factor. So 24. So this is 8 times 24. So 3 also we need to times by 3, which is this is gonna be 9. So next, over 24 again. Okay, this is 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is gonna be 13. So we make it 13 multiplied by 3. So the answer is gonna be 39. Next, so 24. So 4 times 6 is gonna be 24. So 3 also we need to multiply it by 6. So 3 times 6 will give us the answer of 18. Next, also we need to make it 24, which is 3 times 8 to make it 24. And then 5 also we need to multiply it by 8. So will give us the answer of 40. Next, okay, 1 over 8. So this is we multiply it by 3 each. So you're gonna be 24, and this is 3. Okay, there it is. We can see descending order. So from the highest to lowest. Okay, this is the highest. So the 4th is the highest, so we can write it here. So starting with 5 over 3. And then after 40 we got 39 over 24, which is 1. 5 over 8. Next, we got the 3rd is 3 over 4. After 3rd we got the first term, which is 3 over 8. And this is 24. the last, so 1 over 8. So there it is, we got it. Next, let's find it. 15, 9, 18, 24, and 9. What is their lowest common multiple? So their lowest common multiple is 360. So all of them, we make it over 360, 360, and 360. Let's check it for 15. So we got 360 divided by 15 is 24. So this number 4 also, we need to multiply it by 24. So this is gonna be 96. Next, we got 5. Look at it, 9. So we got 360 divided by 9 is 40. So 5 also, we need to multiply it by 40. So this is 200. Okay, next, 18. So let's find it out. 360 divided by 18 is 20. So this 7, we need to multiply it also by 20. So it will give us the answer of 140. Next, 24. So let's find it out. 360 divided by 24, which is 15. So we multiply it by 13. 13 times 15. So the answer of 195. Next, over 9, as we know before. So we can check it again. 360 divided by 9 is 40. So 11 also, we need to multiply it by 40. So this is 444. Okay, we can see the highest because all the numerator are the same, are equal. So we can see the highest is from here, the last term. So for B, we got 11 over 9. And then go to the second term, which is 5 over 9. Okay, and then the fourth term is 13 over 24. And then here is 140 over, okay, sorry. So it has to be 7 over 18. And the last we get from here, 96 over, not 96, is 4 over 15. Next, we got 6, 4, 3. Okay, their lowest common multiple is 24. So this is 24 over 24 again, 24 again, and over 24. So let's finish it. This mixed fraction number. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is gonna be 8. So this is 8 over 3. Okay, we got 24. 5 over 6 equal to what number? Equal to 24. So 24, we divided by 6. This is 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. Next, 24. Look at it. 24, we divided by 4, which is 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. Next, 24. So 3 times what number to make it 24? Which is 8. So we make it 13 also, multiply it by 8. So this is 104. Next, 24, this is already 24, 17, so 8. So by 8, so it's gonna be 64. Okay, there it is, we got it. So the highest is the third one, so we can write it here. So the third one is 13 over 3. Next, we got the last term is 2 and 2 over 3. And we got first term is 5 over 6. Second term is 3 over 4. And the fourth term, 17 over 24. There it is. Thank you.